Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to create a purchase order with the help of BAPI. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To create a purchase order with the help of BAPI, we need to fill these all the details. Here we need to use two BAPIs, one for create purchase order and another one for save the data in the SAP database. Now go to the transaction code SE37. Go to the transaction code SE37. Press enter key. Enter the BAPI underscore PO underscore create one. Now click on execute button. Here first we need to fill the PO header data. To fill the PO header data, just click on this icon. Now click on single entry. Here we need to fill all the required header details. First enter the company code. Company code is 1000. Enter the document type. Document type I entered NB. Now enter the vendor master. Vendor master I'm going to enter 1000. Now enter the purchase org and purchase group. Purchase organization I am going to enter 1000. Enter the purchase group. Purchase group I am going to enter 001. Now press enter key or click on continue button. Now come back. Again go to PO header X. Click on this icon. Click on single entry. Here what are all the data we maintained in the previous step? We need to mark X. We entered company code. Hence I am going to mark it X. We entered document type. Mark it as X. Next we entered vendor. Mark it as X. In the same way, mark purchase org and purchase group with X. Click on continue button. Now come back. Now we entered the header details. Now I am going to enter item level details. To enter item level details, go to PO item. Click on this icon. Click on single value. First enter the line item number. Line item number I am going to enter 1. Material I am going to enter here. Enter the material here. Next enter the plant. Next enter the quantity. Next enter the net price. Now click on continue. Come back. Now go to PO item X. Click on this icon. Click on single entry. Enter the line item number. PO item X. Mark it as X. Material mark as X. Plant mark as X. Quantity mark as X. Next net price mark as X. Now click on right mark. Come back. Now we need to maintain delivery date. To maintain delivery date, go to PO schedule. Click on this icon. Click on single entry. Enter the line item number. Now enter the delivery date in the format YYYYMMDD 2026 month 04 date 10 10. That's it here. Now click on continue button. Click on come back. Now we need to mark X in the PO schedule X. Click on this icon. Click on single entry. Enter line item number. PO item X. Mark as X. Click on continue button. Come back. Now save the data as variant. Click on save button. Enter the comment PO underscore create. Click on save icon. Now click on execute button. Yes, my PO successfully created. But it won't save the PO number in the database. To save the PO number in the database, we need to follow different procedure. Come back. Go to menu bar. Click on function module. Go to execute. Click on test sequences. First enter the PO creation function module. Next enter the BAPI underscore transaction commit function module to save the data in the SAP database. Now click on execute button. Now click on test data directory. Double click on your test data. My test data is this one. Now click on execute button. System created PO successfully. Come back one step. Here in the weight we need to enter X, capital X. Enter the capital X. Click on execute. Before execute this one, just check the database. Enter table EKKO. Enter created on date. Now click on execute button. There is no data. Now go back to SE37. Enter here X. Click on execute. Now go back to SE16N. Press enter key. Click again execute button. Yes, now my data saved in the SAP database successfully. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.